Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be discussing OpenAI's new partnership with Broadcom to develop custom AI chips, Anthropic's decision to restrict access to Claude for Chinese-owned entities, and OpenAI's launch of a jobs platform and certification program. OpenAI is making a significant move into the semiconductor space, partnering with Broadcom to develop and mass-produce custom AI chips starting in 2026. This news came to light following Broadcom's recent earnings call, where CEO Hock Tan revealed that the company has secured more than $10 billion in AI infrastructure orders from a new customer. While Tan didn't explicitly name OpenAI, financial analysts and industry watchers have widely connected the dots. The Financial Times first reported the partnership, which was later corroborated by Reuters. According to these reports, the custom chips will be designed primarily for OpenAI's internal use, helping the company power its increasingly resource-intensive AI models. This strategic move appears to serve multiple purposes for OpenAI. First, it helps control the skyrocketing compute costs associated with training large language models. Second, it secures a dedicated supply chain for critical AI components. And third, it reduces OpenAI's heavy dependence on Nvidia, which has dominated the AI chip market. During Broadcom's earnings call, Tan expressed optimism about the company's future in the AI space, saying, AI revenue growth for fiscal 2026 will improve significantly, with more than $10 billion coming from our new customer. This partnership places OpenAI alongside other tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Meta, who have all developed custom silicon to power their AI operations. In other industry news, Anthropic has taken a significant step by barring companies that are majority-owned by Chinese entities from using its Claude AI assistant. The policy update, which took effect on September 5th, extends to subsidiaries of such companies and even restricts access through cloud service providers. This move represents an escalation in the AI geopolitical landscape. Anthropic's updated terms now prohibit companies whose ownership structures subject them to control from jurisdictions where our products are not permitted, regardless of where they operate. The policy effectively blocks Chinese-owned companies from accessing Claude, even if those companies are operating outside China. Reuters reported that Chinese AI firm Zhipu immediately responded by offering migration incentives to Claude users affected by the ban. Industry analysts suggest this decision could cost Anthropic revenue in the low hundreds of millions, but the company appears willing to accept this financial impact to align with U.S. policy concerns about technology transfer. Anthropic becomes the first major U.S. AI company to formalize such a comprehensive ban against Chinese-linked entities, potentially setting a precedent that other AI labs might follow as competition between the U.S. and China in advanced AI technologies intensifies. Meanwhile, OpenAI is expanding beyond its core AI development business with the announcement of a new AI jobs platform and certification program called OpenAI Academy. The platform, targeted for launch in mid-2026, aims to match workers with job opportunities using AI to assess skills and compatibility. OpenAI's certification program will measure what the company calls AI fluency, with an ambitious goal to certify 10 million Americans by 2030. Walmart has been named as an early launch partner for the initiative. Fidji Simo, OpenAI's CEO of applications, emphasized the company's commitment to workforce development, stating, OpenAI is committing to certifying 10 million Americans by 2030. This push into the professional development space represents a strategic shift that could potentially challenge LinkedIn's dominance in the jobs and learning marketplace. The platform will use large language models to match candidates with positions based on their skills and experience, potentially offering a more nuanced approach than traditional keyword-based job searches. For employers, it promises to identify qualified candidates who might be overlooked by conventional hiring processes. This move aligns with growing concerns about AI's impact on employment, with OpenAI positioning itself as part of the solution by helping workers adapt to an AI-powered economy. By creating both the tools that might automate certain jobs and the platform to help people find new roles, OpenAI is attempting to address both sides of the AI employment equation. The announcement comes at a time when many workers are concerned about keeping their skills relevant in a rapidly evolving job market. OpenAI's certification program could provide a standardized way to demonstrate AI proficiency to employers, potentially becoming an industry benchmark if widely adopted. Both the jobs platform and the semiconductor partnership show OpenAI expanding beyond its core business of developing AI models, suggesting a strategy to build a more diversified business that can compete across multiple fronts in the evolving AI landscape. These initiatives, along with Anthropic's policy changes, highlight how quickly the AI industry is maturing and the complex interplay between technology, business strategy, and geopolitics that is shaping its development. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.